Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this interesting multi-layered nested fractions as you can see over here. And now we are going to simplify it meticulously. And please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's go ahead and get started. And we are going to simplify this fraction going from bottom to top. Therefore, let's focus on this part 3 plus 1 over 2. And here I have copied it down. And just keep in your mind that 3 plus 1 over 2 could be written as in mixed numbers 3.5 as you can see over here. And now we know how to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. We are going to multiply 3 times 2 is 6 and we are going to add 1. So that is going to give us 7 divided by 2. So therefore 3 plus 1 over 2 is going to be 7 divided by 2. So therefore the value for this 3 plus 1 over 2 turns out to be 7 divided by 2. So therefore 1 divided by 7 over 2 could be written as we are going to flip over this fraction. So this could be written as then 2 divided by 7. So therefore this whole thing has been simplified to 2 divided by 7 as you can see in this our next step. And now let's focus on this part. And here I have copied it down. Let's go ahead and put it in a mixed number 4 and 2/7. Let's convert it into an improper fraction. 4 times 7 is 28. Then plus 2 is going to become 30 divided by 7. So therefore this whole thing has been simplified to 30 divided by 7. Now we know that 1 divided by 30 divided by 7, we are going to flip over this fraction. So that is going to become 7 divided by 30 as you can see in this our next step. And now let's focus on this part 5 plus 7 divided by 30. And here I have copied it down. Let's go ahead and convert it into a mixed number 5 and 7 divided by 30. And that has been converted into improper fraction 157 divided by 30. So therefore this whole thing has been simplified to 157 divided by 30. And now 1 divided by this fraction is going to give us, simply we are going to flip it over. So that's going to become 30 divided by 157 as you can see in our this next step. And now let's focus on this part. And here I have copied it down 6 plus 30 divided by 157. And now we can see we have converted this one into a mixed number and then we convert it into an improper fraction. So therefore this part has been simplified to 972 divided by 157. And now 1 divided by this fraction is going to be, we are going to flip it over. So that is going to give us 157 divided by 972 as you can see in this next step. And now we are almost finished. Let's go ahead and focus on this part now. And here I have copied it down and we are ended up with the improper fraction 6961 divided by 972. So therefore we can see that this whole thing has been simplified to 6961 divided by 972. And now 1 divided by this fraction is going to be, we are going to flip it over. So that's going to be 972 divided by 6961. 1, as you can see in this next step. So finally we ended up with 8 plus 972 divided by 6961. Let's go ahead and convert into a improper fraction by just multiplying 8 times 61, and then we are going to add 972, and that is going to give us, as you can see in this next step, 56,660 divided by 6,961. And here's our simplified answer. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.